Bienvenidos mi home skillet biscuits. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a broke witch Halloween tutorial. Is it really a tutorial? I'm not even sure. It's a video. It's broke bitch Halloween. That's what it is. For those of you who are looking for a last minute costume, don't want to spend too much on your costume, or just want to kind of hand make your own costume, all that is in this video. So hopefully I give you guys some ideas. If you guys do use these ideas, let me know in the comment section down below, or tag me on my Instagram so I can check it out. I'm at La Cintia Amor. I'll have that link down below if you guys want to check my Instagram out. It's still new, so there's not too much posted, but you know, I'm working on it. So the first costume we got is a Visco girl costume.
So if you don't know what a Visco girl is, they've basically replaced those girls that would wear the brand pink sweaters, leggings, and Uggs and had their Starbucks in hand at all times. They've replaced the Starbucks with the hydro flask, and they've also replaced most of the outfit with scrunchies, puka shell necklace, and more scrunchies.
The next costume we have is Ariana Grande costume. Now the Ariana Grande costume is so easy. It's so easy.
Really, the most time consuming part of this look is the wing liner. You're going to want to add that because she is known for having a wing liner. You're going to want to put your hair in a high ponytail. You can put extensions on if you'd like, but you really don't have to. You want to put on an oversized hoodie or sweater. You can borrow your boyfriend's or just purchase one yourself, and put on some thigh-high boots. If you do want to add a little more to the look, you can always purchase a faux microphone from Amazon, but you really don't have to.
This is just something I had in my closet. So when I went on my vacation earlier this year, I got a few things, and this is one of the matching sets that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I don't know if they still have it, but when I got it, it was really cheap. Their stuff is typically pretty cheap, and it was perfect for this. So this next costume is the dancing girl emoji.
Now, you don't have to have this exact outfit. Any red dress or red two-piece will do, and then you just gotta kind of try and, you know, do this awkward dancing girl emoji pose that I was trying to do here.
The next costume I have is, okay, so if you know me, you know how big of a fan I am of Beyonce, and so I had to do Beychella.
So this is the look I was trying to emulate. I already had this pink hoodie in my wardrobe, but you can honestly use a pink one or a yellow one because those were the two looks that she did. If you don't have a cropped pink or yellow hoodie, you can always just scrunch it up into your bra to make it look like it's cropped. Now for the logo, I actually went on Google and typed in Beychella logo, and this is what popped up, and then I cut it out and taped it to my shirt. Then I grabbed my favorite high-waisted jean shorts. Now, I didn't realize they were riding up this much when I was filming, so they usually look a lot cuter than this on the regular. And then for the boots, I don't have any fringe boots like that or white boots. I think white boots would be ideal for this look, but what I did is I actually grabbed some mid-calf white socks, and then I went to the dollar store, got double-sided tape, and got holographic string and meant for like gift wrapping, cut it up and made basically my own little fringe holographic boots. Then I put on some rhinestone hoop earrings, and put my hair half up, half down.
Beychella is iconic. Like, it's just, it's a vibe. I was so excited. I love that one. Honestly, I wish I had a Halloween party to go to because I would totally wear that. The next costume I have is White Claw. So White Claws are really big right now, like really big.
I've had White Claws before, and I don't know, I don't see really the big hype around them. It just tastes like flavored water, and I'm not a big fan of flavored water. Like, I like my water to taste like water, but yeah, and then it just has like a little alcohol in it. I mean, if you give me one, I'll still drink it because, you know, you're offering it to me, but it's not my first choice of drink. But it is a really easy Halloween costume, so even if you're a guy and you just want to wear like a white t-shirt and jeans, you could just stick this little thing on and you're White Claw. If you want to like spruce up the outfit a little more, you can get little bear claws from like any local Halloween store that are white, and that way you're even more of White Claw. I used to have some and I could not find them anywhere, so when I went to the store I didn't think of buying any because I thought I still had them, but I guess I don't, but that would have added a little something to the look. You can also, you don't have to do the biker shorts and white t-shirt. You could honestly do an oversized white t-shirt and make it like a little dress and then put this on top. And yeah, your White Claw. That's it.
The next costume I did was Frida. Frida's super easy as well. Like,
basically the first step, grow out your unibrow. No, I'm just kidding. I actually did try growing out my unibrow though, but it didn't really have the Frida vibe that I was hoping, so I did end up filling in the unibrow that I had just to give it that Frida effect. I did get this flower crown from Walmart for $4. You can make your own if you want, and then just pop on a floral dress. Any floral dress will do, with a long sleeve black cardigan, and then, you know, red lipstick is a staple for Frida, and then also she was repping the gold chains before, you know, it was a thing. So pop out some gold chains, some gold earrings, and you're good to go. You're Frida.
the next costume I did was, well, it's pretty, I don't know, I think it's hilarious. I honestly like mess with my husband with it all the time. He absolutely hates it and thinks it's absolutely annoying, but I think it's freaking hilarious.
So really all you need for this is either a yellow top or a yellow dress. I luckily already had a yellow top, and then I just popped on this sign on my face. You can go to FedEx or Kinko's and actually get like a poster board one. You could even put this on like a popsicle stick type thing and then just carry it around as a mask that you hold. But yeah, if you want to rise and shine this Halloween season, this is a super easy costume. And yeah, poke little holes through the eyes and you're good to go.
Another costume that's kind of like a little punny, I guess. Is it a pun? I don't even know. Basically what we got here is a sugar mama. You could also do this if you're a guy too, if you want to be a sugar daddy for Halloween.
So what I did here is I actually got a little baby carrier. I actually got it in the kids section. Apparently it's a toy for kids. But if you have any friends or family that have kids and wouldn't mind loaning you their baby carrier, then you can use that. Or you can get one from a thrift store as well. But this one I got for like $10 in the kids section. It was really small because it's meant to be for a kid, so I had to tuck it into my jeans. And then I went to the store and just grabbed a small box of sugar. I grabbed the CH sugar because if y'all don't know, my real name is Cynthia Hernandez. Legally, technically, I haven't changed it to my married name, but yeah, so I wanted my offspring to have my initials on it too. Anyway, so if you want to be a sugar mama, this is a super easy and affordable outfit. Also, if you want to be a sugar daddy, you could do this also. But yeah, super easy, super fun, and kind of unique, I guess.
And the costume, as you can see, is Euphoria.
So I did grab some glitter and do some glitter tears. Now the glitter I used really sucked, but you get the gist of the look. I used an oversized hoodie. She wears a maroon one on the show, but I didn't have a maroon one, so I just improvised, grabbed a tie-dye shirt, and wore some Converse.
The next costume, if you don't want to be a boring cat as per usual, then you can spice it up a little bit by adding a party hat and then just being a party animal.
So this look is really simple. All I did was added some whiskers, a nose, and then had a headband. I already had a headband with ears on it, so I just popped that on, and then got this party hat from the dollar store. It came like in a pack of 10. Honestly, the party hats at the dollar store really sucked. They kept breaking, so that's why I'm kind of holding it weird here. But if you can, maybe get a little bit of a better quality party hat than the one I got.
The next costume and the last one is honestly pretty self-explanatory.
All you gotta do is grab a bed sheet, put some sunglasses on, and boop. Which
That was basically it. Those were all of the costumes that I have that are good last minute costumes, affordable and easy to put together and make yourself. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more from me, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that I know you want to see more content from me. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified whenever I upload, go ahead and click that notification bell. It'll notify you every time I upload. Upload. I do want to say a warm welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. It's just so awesome. We are growing our own little family. It's super exciting. So thank you so much for joining. I don't even know. I don't have a clan or like a name for my group, but thanks so much for joining my channel. You guys are awesome. And I hope you guys have a lovely Halloween. Have so much fun. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!